Call me Cleopatra, or as they whispered, the last queen of Egypt. The blood of the Ptolemies ran through my veins, and with it the ambition of 1,000 years. Power was a subtle art, not merely the clash of swords, but the soft promise of allegiance. We dreamed of a unified empire, a world where East and West would blend into something greater than either had been before. 11 summers and winters, we ruled as one. In our sun-kissed paradise, we drank the finest wines, hunted in the lush delta, and played dice until dawn. But it was not to be. The tides of power shifted, and Rome turned against us. He died in my arms, believing the false news of my own death. But I am Cleopatra. In defeat, I choose my fate. My reign ends, yet my legend begins. A flame to ignite empires for eternity.